I think I've finally found a wet dry vacuum that actually gets all the way to the edge when cleaning. And if you guys have messed around with wet dry vacuums before, you guys would know that that was probably the biggest pain point on a lot of other products. So UWANT recently sent me out their D800. This is their wet dry vacuum. Today we're going to be doing a whole bunch of tests with this thing. We're also going to go over all of the accessories that are included. But when it comes to testing specifically, we're going to do a wall test to see how close we could get to the edge. Then we're going to clean up some dry messes. And then lastly, we're going to clean up some wet messes and we're going to see just how well it functions. After that, I'm also going to show you guys exactly how it self-cleans, just in case you guys are curious. And UWANT made this very easy, so I'm really excited to show you guys how that works. So since edge cleaning is really what makes this wet dry vacuum stand out, let's talk about exactly how that works. So first of all, you can see that we have some play right here, and that's going to allow us to get even closer to the edges of the wall. We're actually going to get edge cleaning on all sides right there, which is really unique. We also get this flap here that's going to help give us a better seal when cleaning, and you guys should see how that has a little bit of movement right there. You can also see how we do have true edge-to-edge cleaning. It goes all the way to the very edge, which a lot of them don't. And you guys could actually take this off for easy cleaning. So we get two of these rollers, and I'll show you the accessories later on, and then this arm moves back and forth for easy cleaning. So everything just pops right back into place. And here's just a really quick shot of us doing some edge cleaning just to give you guys an idea, but we will do a more in-depth test in just a minute. This also does have flat cleaning, so it could actually go under furniture like your couch. And there's even a little extra wheel on the tank that helps it glide without scratching the unit. We also do get a floating handle, which just makes this much more comfortable to use. So as you guys push it forward, your wrist is able to stay more still. And if you guys are using this frequently, that's gonna really help you out. We're also gonna get a bunch of controls on the handle as well. The triple edge cleaning is a really cool design, and it's doing a great job here during this test. I'm also going to show you guys some more tests later on, but I'm just giving you guys the quick rundown right now. And we're also going to get a base that doesn't require lifting up the wet dry vacuum. You're able to simply just push it into place, and then you guys could just let the vacuum do its own cleaning. For our first test, we're going to clean up some of this baby powder, and we're going to see how close we could get to that edge. And we're going to use this in the smart mode. All right, guys, that thing got right up to the edge. That was really impressive. Almost everything's already cleaned up. The only thing I'm gonna do just to finish it off is I'm gonna go this direction, and it's gonna get just the little bit that was left behind, just in the cracks. And just like that, all of that baby powder is already cleaned up. All right, so here's a quick look at the floor immediately afterwards. You can see just how well it did getting up to that trim. So I'm really impressed so far with this machine. Let's go ahead and do some more testing. All right, so we're gonna basically be doing the same test here, just at a different angle with coffee grounds instead on the smart mode. Just like last time, I was able to get everything on that edge. Just have a little bit left over in some of these cracks. Once again, the floor looks good as new. It did a really good job at getting right up against that trim once again. So far, I'm really impressed with the UWANT D800. Let's go ahead and find some more tests for this machine. So next up, we're gonna clean baby powder, some sprinkles, some ground coffee, and some cereal all the way down there. We're gonna do these one at a time on the smart mode. So this should be a really interesting test just for the dry debris, and next we're gonna concentrate more on liquid spills. All right, so we're gonna be starting with the baby powder. Basically in just 2 passes, we are able to get nearly everything. There's just a little bit that gets stuck in the cracks of this floor, but overall pretty happy with that. All right, next up we're gonna do the sprinkles, and then we're just gonna get straight into the coffee. And 1 pass, everything was gone there. Let's try the coffee grounds. And this one always makes the room smell pretty good. Next up, we got our cereal. Probably the biggest debris here. And it still didn't leave much behind. I was kind of curious if it would just pile up and move it around, but as you can see, nothing was left behind. And the floor looks really clean now. All right, and just for reference, this is the floor after cleaning. It's super clean. I don't see any debris left over. So I would definitely say the D800 passed this test. Next up, we're gonna do a quick test with the dry function. And we're just gonna clean up baby powder for that and see how it functions and if it's any different than using the smart mode that does use liquid. And we are in the dry mode, but you might see a little bit of dampness still just because the brush roller hasn't gone through the drying steps. But it still looks really good. We got rid of everything once again really quick. All right, so next up we're gonna be cleaning salsa. We got a cracked egg and some chocolate syrup. We're gonna use the smart mode, see how that works. And if that doesn't do a good job, then we'll kick it up to the max mode. But I have a feeling it's gonna do just fine. And that was one pass, almost everything's gone. Within 2 passes, everything was gone. So that was very impressive. I was a little curious about the chocolate. So our water tank is full now from that test. So I'll go ahead and empty it and then I'll show you guys what the floor looks like after just under 10 passes. So as promised, here is the floor right after the cleaning. You can't see any evidence that we had that giant mess down there. So I would say, once again, the UWANT D800 has passed the test. Let's go ahead and do one more liquid cleanup. We're gonna do something very liquidy like milk. And once again, we're gonna do this in the smart mode. And it is already all gone. So as you guys could see, this vacuum is very powerful. It is 25 kPa, which is gonna give it really strong suction power. So now that you guys have seen this thing in action, let me show you guys how you're actually gonna clean and maintain the machine. All right, so next up, we're in the bathroom. We're gonna go ahead and clean this machine here. And basically, we're gonna start by showing you the brush roller before. Then we're actually gonna rinse it off with the shower head a little. And then we're gonna put it on the base and let it do the self-cleaning. So let's see what that brush roller looks like. And surprisingly, not as dirty as I was expecting. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. And now we can start to see some more grime in there, but we're gonna go ahead and just rinse that out real fast. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and get in here. Now you can see all that debris coming out. And now I'm just gonna slide this back on. Just gonna pop this into place and we're gonna pop this back on too. We're gonna give it a super quick little dry off with a little rag here, and this will just prevent us dripping any water as we're taking it to that base. And I almost forgot about something really important. We're gonna go ahead and empty out the dirty water tank just to make sure it's not too full when it starts the self-cleaning cycle. As you guys can see here, we have a filter. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this off. So I just gave it a quick rinse, and you may be wondering what this is. This is actually a deodorizing stick, and it'll help prevent any gross smells coming from this machine when you're done using it. So we're just gonna rinse this out, and then we could put this back together and slam it back into the machine. All right, so now it's time to go ahead and do the self-maintenance mode. As you guys can see here, we have a little hot bar there that will help dry the roller. We're also gonna get infrared drying, so that is also gonna help dry the roller. And having a dry roller is going to help prevent any mildew and stuff like that. So before starting the test, like I was saying, make sure that you guys empty that dirty water tank, and then make sure that you guys still have plenty of clean water on the other side of that dual tank. All right, so as you guys can see, it literally pushes up.
Start charging.
It's gonna start charging. All right, and after you guys put it on the dock here, it's automatically gonna start the self-cleaning cycle. So right now we have the green light, and the green light is gonna help reveal any hidden dust and get rid of that on the brush roller. And it's honestly not too loud in this moment. We'll see if it changes any as it goes through the other 3 modes. Now we have the deep cleaning in progress. You can see the blue light right there that indicates that mode. And you can also hear the pumps working, and it seems to have a really good seal there in the dock. All right, now we have the purple light, and it said that this is for hot air drying. So this may take a minute, and it's really trying to get that brush roller as dry as possible to prevent any mildew and foul smells. All right, so about 10 or 15 minutes later, after that purple light mode, we have entered the final stage of the cleaning process. And basically right now, it's just gonna finish drying off that brush roller down there. A lot of wet dry vacuums just have a very minimal cleaning or self-service function. but this one does a much better job, and you could really tell because it does take longer and it takes its time during the process. Personally, I'm fine with that because we're gonna be left with a much cleaner machine overall, and we're gonna have a lot less smells. So before we go over all the accessories, let's see how clean the brush roller is after the self-maintenance mode. So far, it's looking really good. The roller feels dry to the touch, which is crazy, and it also looks really clean. This part seems clean, everything inside seems clean as well, so overall I would say the self-maintenance mode was a success. So now let's talk about accessories. We're gonna start over here on the right. So we're gonna get 2 filters, and I've already used one, but they're really cool because they actually have a pre-filter right here. So if we pop this up, we'll have this little foam piece that you guys could clean out when you're done, and then just let these air dry whenever you're done cleaning the machine. They have a really nice seal on them and they seem to work really well. We're gonna get a brush cleaner, and that's gonna be really nice for cleaning this tank and even some parts inside of our wet dry vacuum. Of course, we're gonna get some paperwork here and a user guide. And then here's a closer look at the robot arm. And then of course, we're gonna have the machine itself. And then lastly, we have the solution. I almost forgot about it. They actually give you a whole bunch of this stuff, almost 17 ounces. So now I'm gonna show you how to put the machine back just in case. So we're gonna slide that in, and now we're going to slide that. We're gonna push down until we hear that click. We're gonna rotate the machine, and if the tank's still taken apart, just slide this right back in, and then start with the bottom and click it into place. And that's how you guys set up the UWANT D800. Now let's talk about what I think of this wet dry vacuum. I've tested a whole bunch of these, probably around 10 so far, and this one's actually been my favorite. Some of the reasons that this one stands out to me is going to be the edge-to-edge design. When it comes to cleaning, it's able to get very close to the trim, and I don't have to go back to the trim to clean it up. The machine's able to take care of everything for you. And when it came to cleaning up wet messes, it was extremely impressive and didn't require a lot of passes. So we were able to see that this motor in here is actually very powerful and produces a lot of suction. Even when it came to dry messes, this thing cleaned like a champ. But I will say, if you guys are cleaning up a lot of dry messes, you're gonna have more debris to empty out of the machine. Something else that I thought was really impressive with this wet dry vacuum was the actual dock. It cleaned the brush very well, and I've not seen very many that have been able to dry the brush this well. The brush roller is actually a source of a smell normally on a lot of these other wet dry vacuums, but because UWANT designed this in a way where it fully dries it, it's just one more thing that makes it not smell. Also, having a deodorizing stick is such a good idea, and I think that that's gonna go a long way for keeping this smelling fresh. So overall, I really don't have any complaints with this wet dry vacuum. And if you guys are looking for a vacuum that could tackle large messes or even small messes, this is a great one to look into. Even with all of the testing that we did today, the clean water tank is still half full. So anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys wanna check this out, I will have a link in the description down below, and you guys could check it out there. And with that being said, that's it for today's review.